The stability control warning in your Tesla indicates the system, which prevents skidding, has detected an issue. This system integrates with autopilot, ABS, and regenerative braking using sensors to monitor vehicle dynamics. The warning can trigger due to sensor failures like dirty or damaged wheel speed sensors. Other causes include electrical faults, environmental factors like ice, software errors, especially after updates, or mechanical wear. The system can sometimes be oversensitive, triggering warnings even during normal driving. Check for error codes in your Tesla's service menu under wheel configuration to help diagnose the problem. Recent software updates, like the V12.5.x series, often address these glitches, so ensure your car is up to date. Start by performing a soft reset through the touchscreen. Navigate to the Settings menu and select the Restart option to clear any temporary glitches. Next, ensure your tires are properly inflated and that sensors are clean. Low pressure or dirt can trigger false warnings. Try driving over 20 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the sensors to recalibrate automatically. Check for pending over-the-air software updates, as Tesla often resolves these issues remotely through firmware fixes. If the warning persists, schedule a service appointment with Tesla to check for hardware issues. Many warnings stem from temporary glitches that resolve after these steps. Note that aftermarket modifications, like lifted suspensions, can also trigger these warnings.